Are you thinking of starting a farm? Well, let me tell you one secret. Most farmers, especially new farmers, fail within the first 2 years. But it doesn't have to be that way. As a farmer, I have seen it all, the costly mistake, the failures, the wins, and today I'm sharing my experience with you all. In this video, I am going to review the top things you need to know before starting a farm, from planning to execution. So if you are ready to avoid this pitfall and have a successful farm, then you need to keep watching. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dara. I am a farmer. In this channel, I discuss my experience in farming, everything about agriculture, agribusiness ideas, how to make money on agriculture, and some healthy tips. If this is your first time of seeing my face, do well to like my videos, hit the subscribe button and join this great community. Also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, the first thing you need to do before you start your farm is to research your market. This is the first thing you need to do. Don't always think you can plant any crop at any time and then sell your produce just like that. And don't always think there is a market for that particular produce at that particular time. One advice I give new farmers is this: do not farm a particular crop or rear a particular animal because you see others do so, or you heard that okay, this particular crop is profitable, this particular animal is profitable, then you go into it and begin to grow such crops or animals. You didn't make research, you didn't go to your market to find out whether that particular farm produce, whether that particular crop truly is profitable. Don't just always assume that every crop farmers grow is profitable. Always go to your market, make research. If you didn't research your market very well, honestly speaking, you will be the one to cry at the end. You can imagine yourself after cultivating a particular crop, then you didn't see buyers. You begin to look for buyers. Meanwhile, the crop, you have already cultivated the crop already. So it's very, very bad. Honestly speaking, you will run at a loss. You have to research your market. Find your buyers first. Find your buyers. Know how they buy that particular crop you want to cultivate before you start cultivating, so that when you are done cultivating, you know that your buyers are there. Okay, don't just cultivate because you had or you see others cultivating, then you jump into it and begin to cultivate. Trust me, at the end you'll be the one to cry. Please make sure you do your research very well. This is the first and the most important thing you need to carry out as a farmer, as a new farmer. Always research your market on that particular crop you want to grow. Know your buyers. Make sure the buyers are there before you start cultivating. Don't always have it in your head that after cultivating the buyers will come and buy. It doesn't work that way. Make sure you research your market very, very well. The second point here is invest in knowledge. Yes, make sure you invest in knowledge. As a new farmer, a beginner, invest in knowledge. Learn how to keep farm record. If you don't know how to do it, there are things you can learn sales and marketing. There are things you can learn disease and pest control. This aspect is also very, very important because these things are things you will encounter right in the farm. Because you can wake up one day and you see a disease outbreak in your poultry farm, you will see pest outbreak in your crop farm. So these things are things you need to learn, and you will keep learning. You will keep learning as you go. So learn all these things. Farm record, sales and marketing, these are things you need to learn so that you don't just encounter them and then you get scared. Learn it, equip yourself is very, very necessary. That's the second point. The third point is that you need to build relationship. Yes, as a new farmer, you don't need to be an island. You can't make it doing it on your own or trying to be on your own. Always network with people in your niche. If you are a crop farmer, you'll be around people who are into crop farming, who are also into that particular crop you are farming. You will also acquire knowledge from them. You can ask your question. Make sure the people you keep around you are those who love what you do. Also join farmers group, all the social medias that you belong to. Check and know groups that are meant for farmers. Join them. You don't need to be an island. Also, you acquire knowledge there also. You will learn from people who have been into the game for a long time. You will use them as a mentor. Do not be an island. Make sure you collaborate, you partner, you seek for knowledge from people. Make sure your network, you join groups, forums that has to do with agriculture, what you do. If you're into crop farming, animal farming, make sure you join groups and forums that are into all those things so that you can be able to acquire more knowledge, ask questions. It also helps to open doors of opportunities for you. So check your network, know where you belong. The fourth point here is you need to start small. I have been talking about it in my videos. I have been advising new farmers to start small no matter what. You are new into the system. You need to start small so that you will learn from your mistake. Of course, there is mistake. You can't escape mistakes. So this is why you need to start small and learn as you go. Don't go and start big. Start small. Learn as you grow, then you can scale up. When you have expanded your customer base, what I mean is this: when you have more demand of your produce than you can supply, then you can scale up. But as of now, because you are new, you have to start small and learn as you grow. That is just it. It's very simple. Now, the last on my list is for you to be patient. You have to be patient. It takes patience. You don't just plant today and then you start harvesting. Farming is not a get rich quick scheme that you can invest today and you are harvesting the next day. No, it doesn't work that way. It takes about 3 months, 4 months for a particular crop to mature. That means you have to be patient. Animals, some take 1 year, some take 6 months, just like that. You have to be patient in all. Don't listen to anyone telling you when you will plant today and tomorrow you are harvesting and making it big. It doesn't work that way. Farming looks very easy at the outside. It's only when you get into it you will know that it is very, very difficult. It is not easy the way they position it to be. People always assume that farming is easy, but it is not easy. I must tell you that it is not. You have to adjust your mindset and stay focused. Trust me, in no distant time you will become a millionaire. Just a matter of time and process. In no distant time you will begin to harvest your crops and your animals will get matured and you'll begin to make your money. If you watch up to this very moment, it means you find value from this video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. I will answer them all. I'll also be dropping the links of some of my videos in the description section. Agribusiness, how to make money on agriculture. Trust me, those videos you are going to find value from them. Drop your questions. I would like to attend to your questions. All right, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.